Yo, what up everyone, this is Will. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We don't like old cars, but the cars we loved are getting old. So here's a question. If you had the chance to modify your car from old to new and even more luxurious, would you go for it? With a little passion of love, a little modern technology, and also a bit of money, we can upgrade 2011 old G-Wagon G550. Upgrade to BRABUS Rocket Edition. Find your seat and get ready for your popcorn, and let's go for this modification journey. Yo, this is cool, right? This is the result for Vic Tuning working over 20 days. Upgrade G550 into G900 BRABUS Edition. The older the car, the harder the modification. You know, we've modified a lot of BRABUS cars in past videos. One most common question is, what's the difference between G800 and 900? Do they really do that different? My answer is definitely. Even though G800 is already very scary kid, but 900 is 100% monster. We do have carbon fiber hood, the carbon fiber grille, carbon fiber front lip, and if you're still confused with G800 and 900, I will show you some videos to let you know. We've also added same style waistline, new style windshield, and high-mounted brake light. It doesn't look like 2012 old G550 anymore. Many people were asking me, is this really an old G car? Are you using a new car too? Showing us. Let's check it out. The ID label over here. You can see it's built in 2011. Okay, let's get in car and let the sound to prove it's a real G55. The BRABUS G900 also features Rocket Edition wheels, exhaust system, Nick-Grosche suspension, and 10 piston brakes. These modes make the car impossible to ignore in the road. Driving it gives you a sense of power, like you are above than anyone else. Now sitting inside, it feels like latest G-Wagon. We've got door, screen, column shifter, electronic handbrake, and smart system match with the new G classes. And guess what? The customer asked me for yellow seatbelt. It's just not details, but it feels more luxury. You can adjust the 46 color ambient lighting to create the perfect atmosphere, whether it's night or day. The cabin feels like pure elegance. You know, I like listening to the music while driving, so I think the most important thing in the car is audio system. We can have Bluetooth and CarPlay in the door screen. Listen it. Together ain't no way we gon' fail. You know I got your back just like a turtle shell. No If you have an old G-Wagon, do you have this kind of audio system? I think no. But when you modify this interior, you can have it. That's what's the soul of this interior kit. The sofa seats, we've modified real seats into sofa seats. Thank you for the customer feedback. People say they love them each time they are using it. Who wouldn't want to enjoy a luxury car with sofa-like comfort in the back? Whether it's a long drive or quick break, it's a whole new level of comfort. Yo, if you saw this G55 before, you will be amazed how we turn it from the old to the new. Every detail from the exterior to interior, we've upgraded for a brand new feeling. We've made it possible for people to feeling the new G-Wagon without spending a lot. If you are interested about modifications, and if you have an old car want to have your brand new feeling, feel free to contact us. We hope this transformation impress you. At last, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and comment. See you next time.